Hello, here we are at the brand new visitor center of the National Park, Snæfellsjökulsþjóðgarður at Hellissandur, after a very good conference. And I feel the need to try to get even more knowledge than you have been sharing today on the conference and everyone can see online from our guests that we have here today. So my first question is, who are you and why are you here today?
I'm António Abreu. I'm a biologist from Portugal and specialist on the MAP program. And I'm coordinating currently a project that brings together the 12 biosphere reserves in Portugal, but also Iceland and Snæfell, and also Norway and Liechtenstein.
Hello, I'm Cristina Abreu. I'm also a biologist and I work as an environmental consultant and a tourism researcher. And I'm here participating in this Portuguese project that gathers the 12 Portuguese biosphere reserves and responsible for the tourism activities.
Yes, my name is Bjarni Sigurðsson. I'm a professor at one of the two local universities in Western Iceland. And I am here introducing some of the research we have been doing in collaboration with the regional park and enjoying this very, very much.
Yeah, I am Hákon Ásgeirsson. I'm the park manager of Snæfellsjökull National Park. I'm here because we want to be part of the UNESCO Mann Biosphere area.
Thank you. This is an important group of people. So I have a few questions for you from my local people in Snæfellsnes. And I was hoping we could help each other to answer those questions. Some of the answers I have already, and I want to get confirmed from your experience, because we are the first that I have understood it right. So first, we don't need to change any law and regulations to become UNESCO Managed Biosphere Area. It's totally after the laws of Iceland that biosphere areas work.
Yes, of course. The Managed Biosphere program is a UNESCO program, so it's made by the United Nations system. And it doesn't interfere with any national regulations, doesn't impose any rules or regulations, laws, whether for individuals, companies, or institutional organizations. It is a volunteer scheme, so it is a program, an intergovernmental program that brings together people and places that are committed with sustainable development, like you are doing already here. So you will be doing more or less the same, but not isolated, taking part of a group of 738 other sites all over the world, joining 270 million people that share the same concerns, the same vision that you have, that nature is part of our development, nature and our identity, whether we are an African citizen or a European or South American, and that the future of and the development of the communities and the human society is linking. It will be part of the capacity of linking the human development with nature conservation. So it's that.
Thank you, Antonio. You know what you're saying. So that's good that we understood that right. Bjarni, bringing knowledge and do Snæfellsnes has something to offer for your students who comes from all over the world and on different levels? We have had BS students, master students, doctor students. Is this of importance for the universities as well?
Yeah, I mean, Snæfellsnes is of course very unique, and I mean one of the unique features is that Icelandic society is built on different pillars. And from the older times, it's agriculture and fisheries, and then later more industry and services. But here you have such a nice mix of those basic resources, or these industries that are based on the basic resources. And then also the tourism is coming into this area as the same as the other ones, but in many ways it's so interesting for us to use Snæfellsnes because we have all of these different stakeholders in a much smaller area than we usually find them in Iceland. And that makes it like a perfect place to come and learn how things are actually developing.
Thank you, Bjarni. And Christina, you presented to us your work with the tourist industry in Portugal in your 12 UNESCO Men and Biosphere reserves. Has it been going well to work with the world of work?
Yes, in fact, it has been a challenge, but I guess we are managing to reach any biosphere reserve, any of the 12 biosphere reserves that we have in Portugal, and in fact, this accomplishment of the this vision to introduce and to adapt the tourism models to towards a sustainable tourism really is being really well accepted and understood, and in fact presenting already some results, good results. Thank you.